In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Chrome 64-bit quickly and safely using the official Google Chrome website. If you've been looking for the easiest way to get the correct version of Chrome on your Windows or Mac device, this guide will walk you through it step by step. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open any browser you already have on your computer. That could be Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Safari, or even an older version of Chrome if you already have it installed. Once your browser is open, click into the search bar and type Chrome 64-bit download. Then press enter. You'll see a list of results, but the important part here is to choose the official Google Chrome website. Look for the link that clearly comes from google.com because that is the safest source and helps you avoid downloading Chrome from unofficial websites. After the official page opens, you'll usually see a big Download Chrome button. Click that button to start the download. In most cases, Google will automatically detect your system and download the correct 64-bit version for your device, so you usually do not need to manually select anything. If a prompt appears asking you to agree to the terms of service, review it and continue. The download should begin right away, and once it finishes, you can open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. After installation, Chrome will launch and you'll be ready to browse with the full 64-bit version installed. This is the best method because it's simple, safe, and always keeps you on the official Google download page. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.